Think your drone is covered? Many drone operators assume their standard insurance policies will protect them, but that's often not the case. Let's break down what you really need to protect your business and your peace of mind. We'll explore the essential types of drone insurance, helping you make informed decisions to safeguard your operations. When it comes to commercial drone operations, insurance isn't just a box to tick, it's your safety net. It's the shield that protects you from unexpected events and potential financial burdens. Let's talk about the 5 most common types of drone insurance you'll want to know. Understanding these different coverages is crucial for building a comprehensive protection plan. First up, liability insurance. This is often the first type of insurance that drone operators consider, and for good reason. If your drone accidentally damages property or injures someone, this is the coverage that steps in and saves the day. It can cover legal fees, medical expenses, and repair costs, preventing a single accident from crippling your business. Next, hull insurance. This is your drone's equivalent of car insurance, protecting your investment in the aircraft itself. Crashes happen, even to the pros. Whether it's a technical malfunction, pilot error, or unexpected weather, accidents can occur. Hull insurance covers physical damage to your drone itself. From minor repairs to complete replacements, this coverage helps you get back in the air quickly. Got high-tech cameras or fancy sensors on board? These specialized components can be quite expensive to replace. That's where payload insurance comes in, protecting all the extra gear attached to your drone. This ensures that your valuable equipment is covered in case of damage or loss. Personal injury insurance is also key. As drone operations become more prevalent, so do concerns about privacy. If you're ever hit with claims about privacy violations or even defamation, this coverage has your back. It provides legal defense and can cover potential settlements, protecting you from costly lawsuits. And don't forget ground equipment insurance. Your drone isn't the only thing that needs protection. It protects things like remote controls and batteries, basically everything you need to keep your drone flying. This coverage can be a lifesaver if your ground equipment is stolen or damaged. Now, here's what you need to consider. Understanding your specific operational needs is paramount when selecting the right insurance coverage. Commercial drone operators are legally required to have public liability insurance. This is a fundamental requirement to ensure you're covered for potential third-party damages or injuries. For certain projects like city filming permits, you'll need specific coverage levels. These requirements are often dictated by local regulations and project-specific risk assessments. And if you only fly occasionally, on-demand insurance from providers like Skywatch.ai offers a flexible solution. Can help you pay just for the time you're in the sky. This pay-per-use model is ideal for part-time drone operators who don't need full-time coverage. Rightsure's got your back with famously friendly humans to assist you, competitive rates providing expert guidance and personalized insurance solutions, and their rate guard tech that finds you the best price, plus discounts for bundling policies. This technology ensures you get the most comprehensive coverage at the most affordable price. So, assess your operations, pick your coverage, carefully consider the risks associated with your specific drone activities. And contact Rightsure for a policy that's as smart as your drone. They can help you navigate the complexities of drone insurance and create a customized plan that meets your needs. Fly safe, fly smart, and keep your business protected. With the right insurance coverage, you can focus on your passion without worrying about potential financial setbacks.